On careful examination of the procedure adopted by the executive member and the chief executive member, it is seen that due procedure has been followed, as has been mandated in the case of Dure Sangma Supra. And as such, this court would be warned to interfere with the findings rendered by the said executive member and chief executive member respectively. However, in keeping with judicial propriety, this court would reiterate the decision of a division of this court as it then was in the judgment and order dated 28/8/1989, passed in Civil Rule number 38 SH of 1987, wherein it was held under court. We, however, made it clear that the executive member shall not entertain any submission in regard to the matter already decided in the civil suit and ultimately in Civil Division number 5H of 76 on court, which in essence has maintained the decision of the Wari Bokre Village Court as regard the 77 plot as amithi of the predecessor of the petitioner herein. There being no procedural defects in the proceedings leading to the passing of the impugned orders, this petition is accordingly found to be devoid of merit, and the same is liable to be and is hereby dismissed. The rest is records have been sent back.
The record has to be handed over to me, my lord, because because the record was sent to me. I have produced the record, my lord.
I'll make the necessary correction then.
My lord.
Instead of sending back to GHCDC?
Yes, my lord. Maybe hand it over to the Standing Council. Standing Council.
Fine.
Hello, Mr. Judgment. Please, Your Lordship. Unfortunately, one matter yesterday I filed it, my lord. Anticipatory bail, my lord, has not been listed today. Can it be taken up today, my lord? End of the board, my lord. I have already filed it, my lord, yesterday.
We'll take it up tomorrow.
My lord,
fine, because you see, that issue has not yet been decided. Whether the old code, new code will be applicable.
No, we have come as per the old new code, my lord.
Exactly, you may have come, my but lord. This court has not decided whether the old code will apply or the new code. My lord. Because that issue is pending before a division bench. So, until unless an order is passed as to whether in appeals or bail application, including anticipatory bail application, what would be the procedure to be adopted?
Well, here, if I can just point out.
For the respondent.
The petitioner.
For the respondent.
The petitioner, Your Lordship.
Have you informed the respondent?
Yes, sir. We have informed them, Your Lordship.
At least somebody should have been here. Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner has sought for accommodation on the ground that the Learned Senior Counsel who is conducting this matter is indisposed. This matter is indisposed. On premium, the same allowed. This is matter up to 3 weeks.
Highly obliged. Item number 2.
Lordship, this matter may be disposed of, Lordship. Already.
Your Lordship, there are two things which the Union of India are to comply. One is the status, and the second one is with regard to the area salaries, and then the pay slips and the lump sum areas. Now, with regard to the status, they have complied. The second part, they have not done anything.
Lordship, in this matter, as per out of this court order, that we have complied with the order and we passed the order dated 19 July 2024.
That I agree. That they have reverted back to our status.
Lordship, and but subsequently the MSCP also considered. This also is given on.
Maybe on paper, but practically they have not implemented. That is my instructions.
See, what is, you see, if I understand correctly,
Your Lordship,
what is required to be complied with is the decision.
Status report.
Is the decision made in a judgment. Yes. Now, in the judgment, the court would decide, or rather would direct certain things to be done in the manner that it should be done, and that would be the decision
Your Lordship,
of the case. Just a moment. Now, when the department concerned or the authorities concerned receive the judgment, they would naturally have to comply with whatever is dictated in the judgment in toto,
Yes, Lord.
unless you wish to file an appeal and get it
An appeal.
modified, or otherwise that's a different thing altogether. But as it is, the judgment has to be complied with
In totality.
in totality. So
Your Lordship,
if that is not done, only a part of it is done, then that would not be total compliance.
so Your Lordship, kindly see this page number 6, Your Lordship. My affidavit. My affidavit. I filed the affidavit.
Number receive.
When have you filed?
This one I've given on 5/8. I've given a copy also, Your Lordship.
No, when have you filed? Is this the file on 5th?
Your Lordship,
When have you filed the affidavit?
I filed before this Honorable Court in
Date.
5/8. On 5th of this.
The date of the affidavit.
Date of the affidavit will be, Your Lordship.
No, you said you were referring to your affidavit where?
Your Lordship, I filed in
There's no date also.
5th of April, Your Lordship. 5th of April, I have given
5/8.
5/8.
You got a copy of that?
I have given a copy of it.
Yes. Page?
Page 6, Your Lordship.
Page 6 is the order dated 19 June.
19 July.
It's in July.
July. Yes.
It is given in compliance of the Honorable Court of Meghalaya, judgment order dated 17 February 2023, passed in WC 198 2019, filed with the Havildar Clerk Ajay Kumar and 91 others. On perusal agency number such and such, dated such and such, I am directed to convey the sanctions of the competent authority to designate rank of the warrant officer. So warrant officer is given for 192 petitioner who have not been covered in admission order such and such, and pre-revised scales of such and such, 5th position and 8th CPC from the date of enrollment. So you will see this is clear in this order is there, that is given. Therefore, rank structure instructor such and such, then demonstrate clerical cadre from your such and such rank warrant officer from the date of enrollment shown as per date mentioned against the name. So this is the status is given, and again you will see in page 13. In compliance with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, judgment order dated 17 February the passed in WC number such and such, and on approval of the Ministry of such and such, dated such and such, I am directed to convey the sanction of the company for grant of financial obligation for 192 petitioner who are superseded due to the implementation of the administrative order dated number dated such and such 1st of 2019 in the next higher grade pay as per given in section 1 part 1 of the first schedule of CCS revised pension rule 08, and the pre-reverse pay ban and grade pay subsequently as revised by 7 CPC as per matrix and in the immediate next pay level as prescribed in patent as specified in the CCS revised pension rule 2016 dated July 2016 with effect from the data shown against each other modified SOR career progression scheme MSCPS to the following person. So this is the name of the person is given, and then you will see in 19 it is given for benefit of fictional pay in respect of the individual financial obligation under this order. All unit substances established are related to refer paraphrase of the appendix 1 of the government of India Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Personal Training office memorandum number such and such dated 9/29 and para 1623 of the headquarters related such and such 18 September 2009. Order for financial obligation under MSBS issued earlier are hereby cancelled, being not entitled. In case the individual has been pushed out to the other unit, this order be forwarded to that unit under intimacy to this territory. This matters
Treat matter most urgent being time-bound court matter. Means they have not yet complied.
So you will have here, you will see.
This is a notification of July. Now we are in August. It's a matter of 1 month.
So,
So you have waited for so long,
so you-
and I think this notification would
so after
cover-
that you will see
cover-
there will be no change. Nothing to be.
Precisely.
Your Lordship, I'll matter come after a week, because in my instructions still yesterday was that only the rank has been.
Yeah, but you refer to this.
By this paper, Your Lordship, I can understand what is written, but practically they have not done it.
Yes, they may not have been able to do it immediately, but it has been treated as urgent.
Your Lordship, did Your Lordship come?
So
that
we don't know
matter-
what is the yardstick or measurement for urgency. We just have to be patient. Fine, we'll take it up after 2 weeks then.
2 weeks, Lordship, but I can bring the status
Fine,
also
your-
what has been done.
And
receive all
Mr.
these matters
Devnath, you
given.
also you try to get instruction and see if it is complied with or not.
You will see
Because
already.
what happened is there are certain directions which has to be referred to
Certain to the
certain
to DOPT,
authorities.
Your Lordship.
certain units. So that would take time
Your Lordship.
premiered by the
Up to 2
parties.
weeks.
Leadership, whatsoever salary and other duties, it will be pending due course. So it is not that this is, but immediately it will be, but it will be calculation will be there, and it will be required time even calculation also.
There is no harm for the
for-
matter to come
But
after
here
2 weeks.
here it is clear
As
indication.
you see, Mr. Nomria said, you see, for issuance of relevant pay slips or authority, that will take some time. We understand. It involves a number of personnel.
Leadership,
here.
when this clear order is given by the government, then this contempt matter may be closed, Your Lordship.
We'll do it for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
You need not do anything. He will do the inquiry
I will do the inquiry.
on premiered by parties. This is matter of the 2 weeks.
So, Leadership, item number 8 also.
2 and 8 are same.
Same.
Item number 3.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I need some more time to file my rejoinder, Your Lordship. All these 5 matters.
In all matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the respective respondents have filed their counter.
The state respondents, yes, Your Lordship.
No, all the respondents, isn't it? Including the state respondent.
including the private lordship.
Mr. Letter Counsel for the petitioner has sought for some more time to file the rejoinder to the counter affidavits filed by the respective respondents. On premiered, it seems allowed. This is matter of the 2 weeks.
Much obliged, lordship.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes, what is this matter?
This matter, my lord, where the lecturers, Garo lecturers were appointed.
Oh, Karo. Yes, who's appearing for the respondents? State
Mr. Kharmi is appearing for the state.
is not here.
It's not there.
End of the board.
My lord, my lord. Or can I just request for passover for a day, my lord? I have one more matter there. Just pass it over for a day, my lord, only. Since he is also not there. Tomorrow, my lord.
Pre-made by petitioner, this is matter to 1 week.
My lord. Highly blessed.
Item number 11.
Yes, who's appearing here?
Mr. Jha is there, my lord, 12 and 13.
He's here.
Just now he was here, my lord.
What do we do?
Come next week. Or after 2 weeks.
What is required here?
But here they filed an affidavit now, my lord. Affidavit in reply to our affidavit which was filed long time back.
So it means that matters to be heard finally.
My lord.
Mr. Jha is not here. Petitioner is absent. On pre-made by Dr. N. Musica, Leonard DSGI. Matters adjourned. List is up to 1 week. Oh, Mr. Jha is here. Yes, Mr. Jha.
My lord.
Tell me.
My lord, item number 11, my lord, we have filed a affidavit, my lord. Reply to that. This matter pertains to ACP and
Yeah.
MSCP, my lord.
So matter can be heard now.
My lord, subject to respondents.
They just served a copy, my lord. I have to go through it also. Come next week, my lord, in the meantime. Yes.
On pre-made by the parties, this is matter to 1 week.
12 is connected.
12 is connected.
Close, same order.
Same order.
Same order. And you,
13, my lord.
13?
13, that is with regards to the promotion, my lord. And
But 13 I'm praying for, my lord. Today I'm not in position to argue. This is a lengthy matter, my lord.
it's a DPC proceeding, my lord. That on the last occasion, I was not there. They are ready with the paper, so they could not supply me.
File
After 2 weeks, my lord. DPC proceedings are with me, my lord. I'll place it.
So copy has to
so
be
whatever copy is required to be given to him, you give it.
But
Because I think this court has directed that relevant,
my lord.
relevant accepts or papers which could be handed over to the petitioner should be given
we will do it before the next time.
on pre-made by the parties. This is matter to 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Hello.
Sangat clear matter.
Item number 14.
So we have submitted today the written argument, Lordship, and I'm serving the copy.
This matter has been heard.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, kindly grant us 1 week time to file our written argument.
Ms. Leonard Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the written argument on behalf of the petitioner has been filed. Ms. Leonard Counsel, you are appearing for?
Respondent for the JHADC, Your Lordship.
For the respondent, GHDC has
1 to 3.
sought for some time to file their written argument. Permit seems allowed. This is matter to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 16.
Yes, who's appearing? Are you in this case?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3 and 4.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1.
Petitioner? Yes, Mr. Shulai. This is a government case. You are the petitioner? Of course, Mr. Sen would.
No, I'm not there, Your Lordship.
You are not there, I know. But you are this. At least in this court, you are the senior most officer on behalf of the government.
Let it come after 10 days. I'll inform them who is handling their matter.
Mr. Sen. Yes.
I'll inform him, Your Lordship. Let it come after 10 days, Your Lordship.
On plea made by Mr. Additional Learned AAG, seeking accommodation on behalf of the state respondent or state petitioner. Matters adjourned. This is after 3 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Kata koi kayu nahi. Kata kayu last line tu. Restrict directed to direct unless it before the appropriate bench.
Item number 2.
Keep it here.
Please, Your Lordship. This item number 2, since the Connecticut Council Senior Learned AG is not available, can you approve for 2 weeks time?
But he was here.
He's appearing online, my lord, side.
He was open.
This matter could have been disposed of.
Lordships have heard us at length on this.
What happened to that reference? It has
Not made.
Now, if you allow this application, that reference
will go, my lord.
But how can that would be an aberration to the procedure then?
Lordship.
Since he's not available after 1 week, my lord.
On permit by on behalf of this state petitioner, let us adjourn. This is the after 1 week.
Nice. Obliged.
the state is in a hurry to convict you, sorry, to hold you guilty of contempt.
So if they had their way, my lords, they would like me to be inside, my lords, from here straight.
To save the situation, in the meantime, you do it paid.
My lords, I have a claim of 1,200 crores against them. And it is on my claim. That's on the merits of the arbitration.
You do the bargaining and. Right.
Like.
Thank you.